Hi, my loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today marks the 22nd day of Advent. I just have no words, my beautiful family. This is scary how fast this has gone by. But this Advent series has been so magical, and it would not have been as special without you. So thank you for making this holiday season so very special. So without further ado, let's get into day 22. Oh my gosh, I'm feeling the Cat in the Hat energy. I'm rhyming. Got green eggs and ham up in here. So for the 22nd day of Advent, they gave us cuticle oil. And so I'm freaking out, y'all. From 3 years ago, I still have cuticle oil. They gave the Blossom series. And then last year, they gave this Elixir, which is by far one of my favorites. But they have moved on to the Nourish Me care line. So they no longer, like, this is a limited edition baddie for sure, because they no longer sell them. I did want to go through the beautiful message that they wrote on here. So it says, every night after removing Madam Glam's gel polish and after doing your nails, to rehydrate the cuticles, use the proper amount of this cuticle oil, which, girl, I use the improper amount, okay? I just use it all. But I tried to be dainty here and use, as they say, the proper amount of cuticle oil and apply it on the cuticles and gently massage until absorption. It will repair and protect your nails. Tighten the cap every night after use. You do not want no spills. It says the advantage is it helps improve the health and appearance of nails, deep nourishing, smoothing effect, and shiny finish. With ingredients of jojoba oil, vitamin E, and vitamin B. Just says keep in a dry and cool place. So this is 15 ml of all of the goodness, so I'm giving you all of the kisses. Because it's PSA time. You gotta make sure you cuticle those phalanges. It is so easy, especially as nail artists, we come across so many different chemicals. It's so important to cuticle them hands. I am sending you so much love and light. This is by far one of my favorite days because this is the gift that's going to keep on giving all year long. I love you guys so stinking much. And I hope you're having such a beautiful day. Mwah. See you in tomorrow's video. And I am Delirious from the Christmas Magic, and I said cuticle them hands like 3 times. Put the oil on your cuticles. Lord have mercy. I love you guys oh so much. See you in tomorrow's video.